session on the course ADCA. Let me first tell you what ADCA stands for. ADCA stands for Advanced Diploma in Computer Application. A comprehensive program designed to equip learners with both fundamental and practical IT skill. Whether you are a student just starting your journey, a working professional looking to upskill, or a job seeker aiming to improve your employability, this course is designed with you in mind. It covers a wide range of topics that are useful not only in day-to-day office work but also as a stepping stone for a career in the IT industry. And the best part, you don't need any advanced technical background. Even if you have little or no prior computer knowledge, you will still be able to follow along and learn effectively. This course will help you build a strong foundation in computers, and it also helps you formalize any skill you may already have. Next topic is course objective. Now let's talk about the objective of this course. What exactly you will achieve by the end of this program? The first objective is to equip learners with essential computers and IT skill. We will start by helping you understand the basics, how computer works, how to manage files, how to browse the internet, and how to use office applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. These are basic tools that every professional must know today, no matter the field. The second key objective is train in software tools and programming languages. We will dive into hands-on training in Microsoft Office and also introduce you to programming with C and C++. Two of the most important foundational programming languages. The goal here is to not only use software effectively but also help you begin understanding how software is created. Next, we aim to prepare you for real-world IT and office jobs. After completing the course, you will be ready for entry-level roles in IT support, data entry, office administration, and more. You will have a complete skill set that makes you job ready. So, now the big question, who can join this course? Anyone who has passed 10th or 12th, has a basic understanding of English, and the most important, has an interest in learning computer and IT tools. If you meet this criteria and are willing to learn, this course can be a great starting point for your digital journey.